Today we are on the road to Mansfield. We are going to Mansfield for the Victorian Road Series Part 2. This is like Empire Strikes Back. And it's the Mansfield tour. No, Climbers Strike Back. Because the first one was the Sprinters. It is the TT in the morning, early in the morning. Usually the women go off first in the morning, but they did a switcheroo on us today, and we're the elite C and B are doing it first thing. Usually it's the opposite way. Then on the Saturdays, in the afternoon is the road stage that goes up the old Ptolemy Road that is very local to anyone who lives in Mansfield. The Mansfield Cycling Club use it as their local training ride. And then the Sunday we're going up to Mount Buller. Very fun, very mountainous stages. I'm with, you know him, he knows you, yes. We're sharing some accommodation with an Airbnb with Will Gilveski. Will. Yes, Will. And then you've seen him lots of times before. And then another guy you've seen on this channel quite a few times, Aiden. He's doing his first VRS tour. About time. He's staying with us as well. We're probably going to be sharing.
Is this his first VRS tour this year?
Yeah, it's his first one.
Well, how slack has he been?
He's slack as hell. I know. He doesn't even work. Doesn't even go to uni. Just sits in his chair all day, plays video games, goes for a bike ride once in a while, and then does crit. I'm really low. I'm really dark. I am darkness. Who am I? Ah!
Can you go off?
Guys, that's a microaggression. Sorry about that, fellow viewers. I've forgotten that I was using this for stop motion, you know, the camera for stop motion, and I had it on manual. My legs are feeling pretty fresh. I've been doing that lab study which does the 5-minute intervals, and you know, they're pretty good. I'm not climbing King Lake here, but I'm still working at a threshold level, and my 20k TT power did go up. Good to go up. My VO2 stayed the same, stayed maybe a little bit less, but I'm not too worried about that because my lactate threshold went up. So I'm happy with that. I'm really thrilled. You know, people are faster than you. There's always someone faster than you. So
always a bigger fish.
There's always a bigger fish, just like Star Wars when, you know.
Let's not talk about Jar Jar Binks, the Sith Lord.
Jar Jar Binks, the Sith Lord. And that doesn't count as a reference. Remember, we're playing the reference game. So if I don't say reference and I don't say where it's from, you think you know where it's from. You drop it down in the comments. If you get it right, I'll give you a shout out.
Terence, is the phone even charging?
No, it's not.
All right, hang on a second. I'll just fix the charger up.
Yeah, sure.
Is it charging?
You didn't say clear.
I didn't say clear.
So just a quick thanks to Will. You're legend. Pick up our packs for the numbers and stuff like that, as well as, you know, always very self-sufficient, and always, you know, he's always got things for himself and also sometimes for me when I've forgotten my stuff. So thank you very much, Will. You're great. Behind us, there's a car behind us, obviously, and they've got $3 on the roof. So I wonder whom they are. Wait, did I use that right? Is it whom they are or who they are? No, who?
Terence is in shock.
Jeez.
What happened?
Terence is super dizzy. Oh wow, that made Terence super dizzy.
What happened, Terence? Tell everyone what just happened.
So we saw like a magpie just fly across the road. It's like, oh, cool magpie! Oh my god, that's a road! So, long story short, Dad's a legend behind the wheel, and broke in time, and made a maneuver,
Unfortunately, the bikes are gone, but you know.
Yeah, we missed the route, so we dodged the route. So, well, Joey actually, but yeah, he's all right.
Joey's looking good. He sort of went. Whoa, that was close.
So,
Oh, pizza shop, pizza shop. Pizza shop, pizza shop.
Do you see that guy there?
Your destination
Hey!
Hey!
We made it.
You know Harry Red Jack?
Huh?
Harry Red Jack?
Where's the Rego?
Yeah, where is it? Yeah, you have any?
You tell me where the Rego is. I actually don't know where it is. Do I have any Rego?
Yeah.
No?
Fucking sideways.
Let's go eat. Boom, baby.
Boom, baby.
I'm so hungry. Oh, Jesus.
One of everything. One of everything.
Realize that there's no swim and there's no run, right?
It's alright, I'm ready though.
There's no swim and there's no run.
Of course.
Those socks are not legal
They're
standards.
not
Oh my God.
Not
Hey,
existent.
hey. Go back home. You got to take the lens cap off too. You know about the lens cap? It's not focusing very well. Hey, we're here.
Thank you for picking up this stuff, Will.
That's alright, how are you going, TJ?
Yes.
Hey, there you
How
go.
you going?
What'd you step? Jeez.
Whoa, there's a step.
I know. My breakfast is set. My drinks are set. Bike, not yet set. I'm gonna put my race wheels on them. Doing tomorrow afternoon. Will's room.
No, I don't personally.
Will's number.
I don't. You know why I don't?
Our room. So I'll just take this one. You can take that one there. Look at this. And this is the room. This is the lounge room.
So we are awake. Got some new glasses. So gonna use these. Sponsored by Aiden Putty Geek. He's not happy. Oh, do you mind if I use your chamois butter?
This is ready. It's like black, yellow, like a tiger.
Training ride.
Yeah, just a warm up ride. Have a
course?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely fast at the back end, slow up front. So,
Same as every year.
yeah, usually fast on the back.
Tell you what, I'd be scared if I had.
Yeah, good. I can't think of a name at the top of my head right now. They're a long way from. I know I say this to you every time, but you're a long way from Route 33.
And every
This
time
is the
every
news.
time you say it, I win. Not quite.
You're very close to Route 33 right now. Terence, you're a long way from Route 33. Anything you want to add before you start the rest today?
I'm really bad at math at the moment.
You chasing Macca?
Yeah, ascending order means it from top down to bottom,
Yeah.
not the other direction.
Welcome to Mansfield. Onto the start line, Nathan D. Touretch is underway. Joseph Inglis from Carnegie Caulfield, another of the riders from that very, very strong racing club that have made their way up to the high country, and they're going to tackle the big climbs. No big climbs at Sandown.
Like I ride with my heart in my mouth. How you going?
Thanks, man.
Go on, T. Come on. Get going.
Have they got the timing up yet?
Come on, Terence. Come on, Terence. Woohoo! With the rain, and I didn't want you standing outside in the rain, so that's why we didn't do a post-race interview. And I didn't want the cameras to get soaking wet either.
Aiden.
No, you're actually filming.
Yeah, of course I'm filming you.
I was like, I thought you were just rolling the camera around.
No.
Hello, everyone.
Where'd you come?
29th out of 28.
I came
47th, wasn't it?
47th, yes, with a 1938 on a TCR Advanced SL0 2019 red frame. Yeah, stoked.
And how much is that bike worth at the shop?
Retails for, I think, 10 and a half? 10,499.
This isn't sponsored. He pays.
This is not sponsored. Thanks, Ray Sattler. Love you. Thanks, Darren. Yeah, definitely wish I had a Trinity though, but that's for next time. This is my first sort of proper tour, so I'm pretty just enjoying the whole experience, getting a feel for it, and then hopefully for the next ones, I'll come more prepared, more weathery.
Will?
With shoes.
With everything.
With everything.
And I was about 20 seconds faster than last year. So given the conditions this morning, I think that's not too bad. So 15th today in Masters B. So that's a reasonable start for the racing today. And we'll see how the road races go after today.
And Terence, where did you come in the end today?
So today I came second place, 25 seconds off Paul Speed, who's in number 1, and 1.3 seconds ahead of Mackenzie Hastings in third place. And I reckon I'll give the 1.3 seconds to the bike throw that he did at the end, the sprint and then bike throw. I reckon that's what it came down to.
All right, we're down at the start line. We're down at the start line because Will left some rubbish down here, but he said, I will be back to pick it up. So we're actually down here to pick up some rubbish.
I went to the start line with a gel and a bar, and I had the gel and left the bar, and I said, can I leave these somewhere, because I'll come back at the end of my race and pick them up. I got a look to say, no, you're not going to come back and pick them up. However, I'm now at the start line picking up my rubbish to take back to the to put in the bin and to use for the remainder of the weekend.
Ian used to say, if you have to walk into each aisle or walk inwards in a supermarket, you're getting to unhealthy stuff.
Yeah.
He said he used to stress that if you want to eat clean and healthy, minus the ice creams here.
But we love ice creams.
If you want to eat clean and healthy, everything you need is always on the outside. And that's why you find that your fresh produce, i.e. your groceries like bananas.
Yeah, they're healthy. We're ready for your donuts.
I'm ready.
That's the one, Will. That's the one.
Lunch apparently.
Lunch, sweet.
Yes. So we're all going for a mixture of throw everything together and eat.
Sweet. Lots of carbs.
Apparently so.
To be that after my TT today, we went out for a quick coffee and came back and I had a flat tire. So, in other words, if Tim didn't recommend that I took a spare, and if he didn't give me that spare sealant, I would have been in a little bit of strife. So big kudos to Tim, thank you.
Anyone else?
And Tim, no one else.
No.
Nah.
Are you getting a masseuse to do it?
Shit, that actually really fucking hurt.
Get over it. Do it again. Come on.
That is
Again.
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 Oh, fuck.
Do it.
Come on.
You can do it.
Come on.
No, lift your other leg up the ground. Jesus Christ, what are you doing?
Do you know how much that hurts?
Yes, I do.
Shit. I need to get one of these now. Picture Terence. How's the angle, Terence?
You packing something up?
Yeah, I'll just packing. Yeah, so I got 3 gels, the clips. So I'll have that before the start. Thank you for watching All About the Bike. Subscribe here, watch our latest video here, watch different content over here, and follow me on Instagram, Strava, and Facebook.